What is this bop? I agree, this is a bop. Hi gamers! How are you this evening? Ooh. Before we start on anything, I wanted to say thank you to Angelus Cross, who donated $100 for the children while we were offline. As you can see, we are now at $920. Oh my gosh. Now we are truly gaming. How are you guys today? I'm really sorry that I missed Sunday. I'm really tired now too, but I wanted to see you guys. I hope you are doing good. It has been a long week. Hi Dipshit Diet! Hi Bunny! Hi Juicebugs! Hi Jake! Oh, thank you for the 6 months! Hi Leo Butterscotch! Hello Fizzy! Finally I found you after you disappeared off my feed! Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that I reappeared. Ooh, that was... It went as quickly as it came. Hi Stuart! Hello Enz! I hope that you guys are doing good. Alright, we're back to the vibe music. Yeah, I feel really snared, but I will push through it. I have some cleaning that I still gotta do. My mom is gonna come visit me, and I don't want her to feel like she has to clean anything, cause that's what she does when she visits, so... The only stream I got from you was when you played A Webbing Journey. That was a while ago! Oh, I should play that again. Spider. That was a cute game. Hello, yes up! Yeah, today I thought we could look at a view. Oh, Sippy. Thank you for Sippy and for Headpad. Thank you for Carol the Clued. Dirtier. Yeah, if you guys don't know, view is like, oh my god, the triple head
Hey
pat.
Jimmo,
Hello!
did you know that New York and Minnesota are basically opposites? It's true. New York is the Big Apple, and Minnesota is where Minneapolis.
Ah! The mini apple. Good one. Hi, you world. The world says hello. Yeah, if you guys have never heard of it, oh, I have to switch over to... One sec. This other one. I have to hide this little pop-up thingy. Mississippi is where they sippy the mini sodas. So many worlds to talk to. You can travel to so many worlds in your brain. So Veet is the thing running the server. View View is another one of the contenders for, you know, making a JavaScript application and you need a front-end framework. It's one of those guys. A lot of people use React. A lot of people use Svelte like we used last time. This one is also one that is pretty popular that I've actually never tried. And I think I probably should at least know it a little bit. So I did the build stuff. That's why I had the application running. Looks like you can use a CDN if you want. I do not want. Continue with the guide. Or try the tutorial. Tutorial. Doesn't aim to be comprehensive. Assumes basic familiarity with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That's what I know. Good thing I know it. Two API styles. Options API and Composition API. Do you guys know what API means? It means Application Programming Interface, I think. Is that what it stands for? Now I have to check. Yes. Okay. I was right. View's your favorite! Yay! Tell me what you like about it. I'm literally just starting. Oh, also, is all the levels of sound okay? It is so good to know it. Hi, Louise! You use Bubbly Soft? Bubbly Soft. Puppies like puppies are soft. SFC mode or HTML mode. Single file component, which is what most developers use when they use Vue with a build step. Okay. I guess I am ready to get started. Vue single file component. Single file, everybody. Single file components. So you have components, v welcome. Oh! Yeah, I think I should be able to do this. I don't think it'll show anything weird. Alright. View woggly bee. View. View looks like the VUE. It looks like a little face. I don't know how, but it does. Like an OU. I don't know if I like how this is formatted. I guess that's the formatting it uses. It'll do it for me. Declarative rendering using a template syntax to extend HTML. Sounds similar to... what did you call those guys? Custom what are those called? Custom web components? Web components? Is that what it was called? Yeah, web components. Hi, Necrotex! Hi, Q, I'm a long-time lurker, but just wanted to say your social videos have made me significantly more conscious of accessibility while developing! Yes! Mission complete. Thank you for saying that. I really appreciate knowing that it helps. That's what I would like to happen. I like that it isn't owned by Facebook or Google. That's fair. What is Vue owned by? Or, what is Svelte owned by? Is that one of the big guys? The big lads. Oh my gosh, my brain is not working. Svelte. Somebody has such a cool motorcycle going by. You guys could probably hear that. I heard that. Svelte is owned by... Oh, they are backed by Vercel, which is sus. One eye is poorly winking while being very confused. Exactly! That's the Vue face. You did it! I made sure to add lots of linting rules to make lots of build warnings when I forget. Yeah! That's what we wanna hear. Thank you, Jake! For the 1433, we have rounded up to a nice even number of 935. Thank you, gamers. Backed by a Vercel, it feels like a lot more than that. That's probably true. I have been chased. Did the sound not work? Return to jQuery. Eyes and head hurt, but came to say hi. Oh no, I hope you feel better. Yeah, my brain is not feeling very good being this late in the day, but I will power through. For the children! How's it going, Adam? Sorry, Adam. can be allowed to cheese? Probably not. Uneven numbers make me anxious, so I had to fix it for the children! It's for the children! If you guys want to make it, if the even number makes you uncomfy, you can donate for the children too, and then you'll get it. Thank you, Nicotex! Oh my god. You guys are the best. I don't even know what to say. I really appreciate it. We are at our halfway point now. That is amazing. W's in the chat. They need games. It's so true. We can empathize. We have games. We want games. That means the children want games too. And they can have them. Now that Necrotex has been so generous. Thank you! You guys are really amazing. For the children moment. This community, you guys are really like the best. I'm really proud of you guys as a community. For reals. No, you! Hi, cooks. They will buy the cheese. No. Maybe if there's a game about cheese, they will buy that. Of course! It is the least that I can do. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing with you. Okay. They end in the view. Ah! Oh. I think it's not doing the sounds, is it? Why is that? Is it playing sounds? Make a game of cookie clicker boy throw cheese, that's cute. Ah! I had a coworker. He had to leave. But he made one of the poker planning little applications. And he made it so that you can throw stuff at people. Like throw emojis at people. It's funny. I think we still use it sometimes even though he left. Why is the sound not working? That is the question. Did I accident? Oh, maybe because I'm minimizing. Well, I hope you guys will be okay without the sound alerts, maybe. You did not hear the sounds? Oh, what the heck? Well, I didn't hear them. Maybe that's fine. Okay. Ooh, spaghetti. Enjoy spaghetti. I didn't mean to double negative. That's okay. Did you not... The cool guy's back. Did you guys hear the cheese sound? Or the tropical sound? Alright, I gotta try to do at least a little bit of actual effort in this. Declarative rendering using a template syntax? Yeah. State changes, HTML updates, yep. Reactive API. Like React. It's kind of funny that they named React, and then all the other frameworks are like, yeah, we have like reactivity, but it's like not React. You can't just use that word for your framework. All of them do that. Okay. So, import reactive. Wow. I don't know how I feel about this at first glance. I do like Svelte syntax. Oh! You can do scoped or not. Okay. Just a couple of CSS variables. Hello world! Let's change the hello world one. Okay, so we import... Oops. We can do import... Can I do it in here? Oh, yeah, I can. Reactive from view. So to make state, we're gonna do our classic counter example. And we're gonna initialize it to 0. And I guess we're gonna... I always forget I always have my menu to do it. I always forget. It's Shift Alt F. Nope. Didn't I struggle with this last time too? So these have to be set to be able to pass to it props. That's fine, I guess. That feels kind of like an afterthought though. I'm not sure. Like TypeScript is an afterthought. I don't know how true that is. I just started. Counter. Count. And then they do a... Reactive only works on objects. Ref can take any value type and create an object that exposes the inner value under a value property. Okay, so you can just like directly change them. Why would you use reactive or ref? Those names are not extremely clear to me. Reactive and ref are discussed in the guide. The recommended way to declare reactive state is using the ref function. Oh, then why are you telling me about the reactive? You might be wondering why we need refs instead of plain variables. No, I'm wondering why I need a reactive. There is another way to declare reactive state with the reactive API. Unlike a ref, which wraps the inner value in a special object, reactive makes an object itself reactive. Okay. Reactive converts the object deeply. Nested objects are also wrapped with reactive. Oh. It is also called by ref internally. Shallow refs is also shallow reactive. This one's not clicking as fast as the Svelte one did. I did not hear them. Oh, that's okay. React has a monopoly on reactivity. I guess that's why whenever I try to use curved lines, my Angular apps don't compile. That's fair. What kind of app are you making? I'm just playing with a new framework that I never have. So I'm just testing stuff out. I only heard Motorcycle Man. Yeah, he's the new sound effect. Aren't you impressed? Which words would you use for your framework? Blazingly fast, amazing, performant, synergy, business. How can they call it view? I can view pages made with the others too. Oh my god, they did it again. Gaming will never be the same after she codes this one. Can't be helped. I love all these new sounds. Yeah, synergy, business, framework. I'm so marketing. Alright, I guess like I don't understand still why I would use this, but that's fine. Reactive state declared in the component setup block can be used in a template. Yeah. So if I wanted to do, instead of these things, read and the view. Ah! Okay, I guess I'll just put a guy down here and be like counter count. Did not need to use value because it's automatically unwrapped. Content inside the mustaches. The mustaches. I should have a mustache. Live 2D item. That just looks like this. It's just the two braces. And then I will say that I must ask you a question. I messed up the joke, please forgive me. Content inside the mustaches is not limited to just identifiers or paths. We can use any valid JavaScript expression. Okay, that's fine. Wait, what does it say? Try to create some reactive state yourself. No. Well, I think I did already. Let me try. Pink. Where did my window go? 0. Oh, because I didn't add anything to it. So I'd say... Pink. Counter. Oops. Can't. Just add a guide to that. I'm sorry, I can't not use the semicolons. It'll take them out for me. One single reactive state. Wow. In Vue, mustaches are only used for text interpolation. To bind an attribute to a dynamic value, we use the vbind directive. The vbind directive. A directive is a special attribute that starts with a V prefix. They are part of Vue's template syntax. Similar to text interpolations, directive values are JavaScript expressions that have access to the component's state. Okay, what do you use it for? For after the colon is an argument, the element's ID attribute will be synced with the dynamic ID property. vbind is used so frequently it has a dedicated shorthand. Okay. To bind an attribute to a dynamic value. So you don't use this for attributes. You have to use, like, if you wanted this to have like a, I don't know, what would I do that for? I guess ID. You'd have to go like this. And then if I had like an ID up here, I'd have to say like security. And then I guess I could call ID, right? Let me see if that worked. I don't know how I'm feeling about this yet. I don't think that worked. Oh, yeah, it did. That feels strangely to me. I will keep an open mind. I'm a nerd! Vue using mustaches is also something that made me like it. Cute with the mustache. Now that is content. Too bad that Mario Day did not fall on a Sunday. I feel like this month has been so bad for most people's health. Like, I've had like a bad health month, and like most of the people I work with have been like working remote or like out sick. Like one of my buddies had like I feel like pretty much 2 weeks of like one of his kids got strep throat and then the other one did, and then like I just kept going. I'm good, how about you? I'm just snared. Can the Cutie Wi-Fi code a seal for you, Soldier? I could. I wonder if I can make like an ASCII seal. Let me see. ASCII art. Oh, these are some good seals. Very nice. Get out of the way, these ads. Oh, now this is a good one. Here, I'll put it right here, okay? This is more important than the data. What is that element called? Would it just be is there a code? There's a code one, right? Does that work if I do that? I can't remember if it preserves white space. Oh! Let me dock it to the other side. There you go! I have coded you a seal. You did it! You... you have rendered a seal. Done. That is the true achievement. You did it. You have rendered a seal. Are you wearing clear light glasses? Yeah, I gotta. Because the blue light is just... You can see I'm made of the blue light. If you block the blue light, you won't be able to see me. She's wearing glasses that filters out everything except blue light. See, Grace gets it. Make a program that always makes successful trades on the stock market. Why didn't anybody think of that? That's so obvious. She coded a seal. That's what I do. Okay. Let's hide the seal. For now. Don't worry, he's still here. He will always be here. Alright. So I did that. Event listeners. We can listen to DOM events using the V-on! K-on! I want to make it the K-on directive. The V-on! Freako use has a shorthand syntax. Alright. Yup. So we're gonna do like this, I guess. Button. Click. Increment. That's what I would call it too, and that's what they call it. And we can just move this guy in here. I guess it's telling me I don't have that yet. Which is, yeah. Obviously, I don't yet. Function, increment, do it. I guess you can just... Whoop, right? Yep. It appears to be the case. This is a bad one, though. It'd be better... Okay, yeah, let me not do that. Because... when you make a interactive element, it should have a unique call to action that can be identified what it'll do without any other context around it. So like, if you have like 10 buttons on the page and they all say order now, there's a way on Assistive Tech to get a list of all the buttons and like all the links. And when you do that, it doesn't actually show you like what the surrounding context is. So if you just have 10 buttons that all say order now, it doesn't help. Welcome, Sanders! Make the seal an NFT. I did not create the seal, and I would never disgrace him by making him a NFT. He's strong, that we know. Exactly. He's too strong for bitcoins. stopping in to say hi. I have to go to bed. Oh, that's okay, Aglamer. It's good to see you. I'm sorry we are streaming pretty late today. Nanai. People would love my framework. It would have dating sim elements. Date start. Ghost in the machine? No. Seal in the code? Yeah. Hi, Shadow Rave! How's it going? How are you doing? Oh yeah, but anyway, all that to say, you should make the button text that you put on the page unique and descriptive enough to know what it does, independent of any of the other content. So you can just say increment. All of that. It goes well. I do love the cute art in the code. It's a classic. Seal in the shell. The seal of a new machine. Oh my gosh. A seal state machine. All that you have is asleep. You can transition into the boinging bouncing state, and then transition to the eating state and back to the sleeping state, and that's all that the state machine is. We should do state machine topic on stream sometime. I like them. Okay. Boop. I have rendered a seal. We have our button. Boop, 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 boop. Very nice. It's a little hard to see, isn't it? I can enhance the seal. He's not very responsive. But it's okay. If he was, he would get line wrapped, and that wouldn't be a very seal of him. We did it. Alright. We can update the component state by mutating refs. They can also use inline expressions, that's fine. Okay. Using vbind and vyon, we can create two-way bindings. Ooh. I guess. Seems like asking for trouble. But what do I know? I'm keeping an open mind. Let me get rid of these. Actually, I'll just leave them. So we have a form. Oops, I forgot to hide the window. We have a form. We have a submit. Wait, no, we don't have a submit yet. We have a input. vModel. Does this one not have a shorthand? vModel is text? Oh. Using value. Okay. So value is a dynamic one. And we're just calling it text, I guess. And we have a input handler. Okay. So this, when we do this, input, we do like on input. So this guy is the same as this. vModel text. So typing in I'm not sure how it knows this though. But I guess I'll just comment this out. Oh. And then we'll say function on input. This is the event, which these examples don't look like they're TypeScript. And this would be... I don't know what this would be in... Oh! HTML... I can't remember event. Maybe it's fine for right now. I don't know what that would be. Well, I want to know. Okay, let me look it up. Real TypeScript DOM event, I guess. What's the type for an event? Oh, it's just event. Well, yeah, but like, it's a HTML element event. Alright, whatever. And then we have the target and the value, and we'll say text is a ref, I guess? A ref of what? Text of nothing. Okay. So text. These have a value property. We'll just set it to this guy. Value does not. Oops. I would need to make sure that this exists first, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Yeah. We don't do anything if we don't have a target. And then we have a target value. But this might not be... Yeah, what the heck type of event is this? It is... Oh. Someone is casting it, which I don't want to do. Okay, I guess I can... This is not generic, so I can't... I guess... Input element. Sure. Weird. But this doesn't show as anything now. Input. Oh, I want to try to get used to my shortcut. Yeah, it doesn't show as anything on input. Try typing in the box. Input vmodel. Not only on text inputs, but on other input types. This is not very clear. People talk about simple machines. For me, I believe the seal is complex. Simple machines are sometimes the most elegant. Code Seal is a weapon to surpass Metal Gear. Look into his eyes. He will commit atrocities. Manny, thank you for the $50 for the children! I can't believe it. We are well on our way to our goal. It is within reach. Right? You guys are simply the best. Metal Seal. I don't want to bring the mood down, but I got some not so great news today. Thank you for the distraction. I'm sorry, Yesop. Yeah, it's a hard time of year for me as well. So I understand. Things will get better. Everything gets a little easier with time, you know. Just gotta make it far enough past the bad news. And it won't feel so bad someday. I didn't know there was a stream today. I'm sorry. I didn't stream on Sunday, so I wanted to make it up to you guys. And thank you again for the $50 for the children. It goes well. I love the cute art. Yeah, he's so cute. Yeah, we all are thinking of you, Yasup. I am not understanding this. Don't you still need this? Let me see if I can... To simplify two-way bindings. Oh, so I don't need this input at all. Got it. So I did all that for nothing. That's fine. It happens. Feel better? Beam! I hope that worked. Okay, so I just needed... It does that automatically, basically, if... So if I now do this, I have a thing for text. Now if I have a thing like this, text, I don't think I need value. This will update as I type it, I believe. Yeah. Metal Gear. Very nice. We can use VF. It just makes me think of C'est la vie. Directive to conditionally render an element. Oh, okay. So we have here, we will say surpasses Metal Gear, and it'll just be true. I know, semicolon. And we'll say V if surpasses Metal Gear. He only renders if he surpasses Metal Gear. If he doesn't, which is not possible, if you ask me. I had to find I had to find what to use instead. Oh, some of these are pretty cool. Which one would be best? I guess this is a good one. Classic. Maybe. I want a simple one. Some of these are hard to see. No, I'll do this one. This one's cool. Alright, so V else we render Snake. So he'll only render if the seal does not surpass Metal Gear. Which I don't think is possible, to be honest. We'll have to check. Oh, you missed it. Because I had this stupid window open. This is to surpass. This is only if the seal does not surpass Metal Gear. We do Snake instead. But you can see, he does indeed surpass Metal Gear. So he renders. It's very important. Alright. That's the VF. We can use the V4 directive to render a list of elements. Yep. Notice we're also giving each to-do object a unique ID. This is the same as React. Call it mutating methods on the source array, or replace the array with a new one. Okay, so we have here. I guess I will do it after all this. We'll do a list, and we'll say this. We have a v4, and we'll say cutie in cuties. I almost spelled it the right way. Here we have cuties is a reactive, I guess. Can I? Yeah. Can I do that? It is deep affects all nested properties. Maybe I wouldn't want that, but I'll just do that for right now. And this will just be a string, I guess. So if we were gonna say join the cuties, and we just have however many we have. Let me see. All cuties. We have Shadow Rave. We have Jib. We have Many. We have Jake. We have Sound. We have Grace. We have Yes! And Swimmer. And don't want to miss anybody. Alito Taku. I'm just anybody that's in my current window view. Alright, so let me format this. So we have, these are the ones that are possible. You guys are possible at Zombocom. So we'll check the current length. So next cutie is the cutie's length plus, wait, no, that's fine. And then we'll say I guess we just push it index, and we'll say cuties push, but I didn't make it yet. Next cutie is all cuties at the next cutie index. We'll push the next cutie. And I need to type this array. How does it want me to? Oh, I guess just like this. No? Oh, yeah, it's an array. So we'll wanna check that this exists. Otherwise, we'll just not do anything. Ah, my semicolons are back. Okay. So now we will say we need a button. A button. Do I want it? Yeah, I want it at the beginning. Join the cuties. Join the cuties. Alright, this needs a key. Oops, key is what? Does it let me? Oh, QT. And QT. Think that will work? Doop boop boop. Save it. Show me. Alright, so we have this. Join the cuties. Pshong! Pshong, 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 pshong. There you guys are. Wow, so many of you. What's on the agenda today? I hear seals and Metal Gears. Well, you see, the seal is a weapon to surpass Metal Gear, so Snake will never arrive. Because there is no Metal Gear. And Snake can do nothing against the power of the seal. Oh, we gotta put Louise back on here. Okay, okay. You are also in the list. Louise, there you go. And Bunny, I'll put you too. Yeah. Get perceived. It works. So that's how you do. You iterate over stuff in View. Pew, 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 pew. There you guys are. You have joined. Reward for dishes. You're on the seal list. You made it. That's how you know you made it in life. You're on the seal list. Oh, I just realized my big brain's been in the way the whole time. There you go. Hopefully my brain gets smaller. Alright. So we did that. Computed properties. We've already added a toggle functionality. I need a sippy. Wow. Does the seal know that I know how to play Minesweeper? Probably not. But I don't think he cares because he's the seal. And he cannot be defeated by Minesweeper. I've been so casually watching this stream as I sort through rice. You're sorting through rice? Do you have to like take the yucky pieces out? Why are you sorting rice? To do done. How does this work? So they have done. Oh, like adding a done property and remodel. Checkbox, remodel. Oh. Next improvement. Hide already completed. I'm not sure I understand why we are doing this example. Okay, I guess we're adding let me try. They have a checkbox. Oops. Checkbox. And we're gonna add a property for Cutie Pie. And computed. Oh, okay. I see. Well, I don't wanna hide them, I just wanna check it when... Or add a do a thing when it's checked. This is weird. I don't know. I don't know if I like this very much. But it's good to know it. So there's a computed property, or a directive for class. And if I wanted to have cutie pies have a different background. Why? Oh, cause it's a string. I guess I will make them not strings. Well, what do I want to make them then? A cutie can be defined as a name that is a string, and also a status of if they are a cutie pie or not. And that will become next cutie. They all start out without the pie status, you know? And we have that. And then we have our... will be... if you're a cutie pie, you're going to have a nice little cloud emoji and floppy disk emoji before your name. And I guess I'll put like a space too. Okay. That... I don't know if that'll work. I guess we'll check. So now we have... Oh, let's change how that looks first. Okay. So now you have a checkbox. And if you are a cutie pie, pshaw! Pshaw! Get cutie pied. Okay, that works. It's not very beautiful styling. Let's say... each one of these cutie is inline flex. Oops. I still have that showing. We'll have a little bit of a gap. And... I'll do the cutie pie before. Oh, I did it inline instead. Oh yeah. Wait, that won't work. Do I want this on the outside? Maybe. Can you have both? I guess I'll see. Choop choop. This should... I guess be that. I don't care really right now. Maybe I don't want it inline though. I just want it flex. Yeah. And then... this I want... Wait, I don't want a class on that. I want... well... I guess I want this to do the same thing. I don't know if there's like... don't think there's like nesting and stuff in CSS in this. Let's see. Pew, pew, pew. There you go. Looks funny because it gets blopped onto the front. Let me do it after. Oh, and let me get rid of the space. There. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. Now we have a fun way to change the cutie pies. Hi Drew, how's it going? Transferring it to other containers because our rice bag broke. Oh, that's the worst. Non-Sunday Q-stream. Yes, because I missed Sunday. My apologies. It's good to see you drink. Nice. I just need the seal to know I'm an asset to the team. I'll think about it. Hi, Z-Bird! I like the typeface you have set for italics. Thank you! Yeah, let me hide this window. This is a font I bought a long time ago. And yeah, I really like the... like how it makes it cursive. That's like my favorite part. It's so cute. It has like the little cursive L's and stuff. It's cute. And the S. Yeah. It's called Dank Mono. It's cute. Learning is fundamental. You're so real for that. Pew! Shio-sama. Shio-sensei. What else can we do? It will probably need to be a little bit shorter of a stream tonight. I know, it is sad. I am sad. I still have some stuff I gotta do. I'm so snared, but I cannot be snared. It's not an option. Let me see. Did my song stop? Why would it? Ooh. That's our name. Making cursive but monospace is wild. But isn't it good though? Dank font is cute, but not as cute as you. Not as cute as you. What is this song from? 241. We know Ma? Huh? I don't know what these are. Oh, Japan exclusive channel. Huh. I never heard of that one. Alright, let's see. So we can do we can do computed refs. So if we have, let's say, cutie pies, we have a computed. It's like a selector kind of guy. And with that, what do they want me to do? Return filtered. Okay, so we would just say cuties filter, I guess. They don't have very good examples in here. I don't need them. So if we wanted to say, instead of this, we did a separate list where we had the cutie pies. So it'd be still 4 cutie pie in cutie pies. And then our key would be still the same. Well, it'd be name. But it would be like cutie pie name. And it would be cutie pie. And kitty pie. This sounds like a Katamari song. And we'll say, if you're a cutie pie, you're a bold one. I don't know, let's see what it does. Oh, nice. A bonus list. Very nice. Woo! Well, I guess that makes sense. So far, View has been handling all the DOM updates for us. Inevitably, there will be cases where we need to manually work with the DOM. Womp womp, use effect, womp womp. Feel like I'm gonna meet my next party member. It's the person with the lime green colored hair standing in the crowd of people with brown hair. This music is the best. I feel like I'm picking up quests at the inn. I'm madly in love with you. Oh my goodness. No, here, what's this for? We're playing with the JavaScript framework called Vue. We do this sometimes. I wanted to make it like a segment of like, if I stream on Wednesday, but I hardly ever get the chance to stream on days other than Sunday. Sunday's usually when I stream. But this one we call Hello World, and I just play with some programming thingy that I've never tried before. I want to try, I mentioned this last time I think, I want to try RenPy. It's whatever the like visual novel like game framework is. You know. Okay. We also have a seal. That's very important that you know that. He only renders if he surpasses Metal Gear, and he does. We are working on inventing new days. Right now, Scrun Day is in the lab. I hope we get Scrun Day. I've actually used RenPy before, but several years ago. How was it? I just think it'd be fun to make or to play with like making a visual novel one of these days. I don't think I'm a very good writer or if I have very good ideas for storylines. But it'd be fun to play with on stream, I think. The last background music sounded like old Dragon Quest OC. Oh, really? Oh my gosh, I didn't play Pokopia at all today. I've been playing it like all of the days. I have all the dailies to do. But I also have other stuff to do. That's not the only reason I would be leaving. Thank you, Brother Valentine! Good to see you. $15 for the children. Let's go. We're at 1,100. What the heck? We're at 1,100. This sounds like poker. Sounds like casino. What kind of app is this? It's just a silly little... It's like the starter app it comes with. I'm just trying to learn how stuff works in the framework. Welcome! I blew out a lot of my mountain and realized I was in over my head and got anxious because I can't have strip terrain without falling constantly. Grace, if you complete the thing, the Team R initiation challenge, I think it will be way easier. It's actually super easy, so you'll pick it up. Okay, sweet. Yeah, it'll be fun to come up with a goofy visual novel on stream or something. Or what the cutie is. We can request a template reference to an element in the template. Yep, just like React. Oh. Ref is null, yep. To run code after mount, we use onMounted. I don't know about all this. Well, I guess what I can do is this. So I'll have we'll have a seal ref. It will be null. We will do a ref seal. Does it need to be? Nope, it just does that. Okay, so then once the component is mounted, they want us to do this unmounted, and we can do like seal value. Wait, what? Why would I access that? Oh, okay, I see. I think I need to type this though. This will be a HTML code. What is this element type? HTML attributes? I guess it's like nondescript HTML element. Or no. Could be no. So this might not exist, so if that doesn't exist, we don't do anything. Ah. And is that what that's called? Add, yeah. We'll say Angie. He is immediately attack mode as soon as the component mounts. Angie. Red. I'm scared. What if he's Angie? Are you guys scared? We had to face our fears. Oh. That actually kind of startled me. I'm scared. We have to face our fears. Look our fears in the eyes. The red, red eyes. You can only delete one brick at a time with that one. Yeah, but the I guess rollout doesn't really help with that. You gotta be more careful. Haven't been here for the Pokemon stream or any other stream. TBH, I guess my Sunday just got a new time slot update. Yay, I'm glad! Yes, new cutie! Pew! Wait, I gotta add you to the list. You're on the list. Right here. We got Vikalis. Nice. Unless I said wrong. Vikalis? Vikalis. Being healed by the cozy JRPG. Okay, so I guess this is like a Wii channel that was only in Japan. And it's called We No Ma. I put it in the chat. Thank you, Grace! for the 5 gifted memberships. Oh my gosh, what a gamer. Get gifted. It is very gray score. I can't see him red, I'm scared. I know, it was actually pretty scary. The horror game seal. That is... It's pretty apt. I'm leaving it up there so we can get used to it. We have to face our fears. Blood for the blood seal. We know Ma, we know Pa, we know 'em all. He shall go up to the fish skull throne. Gamer, we sing the Michael Bolton Jack Sparrow song. This is the tale of Captain Jack Sparrow, a pirate so brave. I can't remember how it goes. In the seven seas, we must be fearless like the seal. It's true. I'm so sorry you had to walk into this, Gazaki. I know it must be a frightening experience to walk in on this. How's it going, other than being frightened? Ah! For some reason my sound alerts aren't working. I do apologize. Alright, we got about maybe 10 minutes left that I can stick around. Let's try to do a little bit more. Sometimes we may need to perform side effects. Like an effect? Oh wait, let me hide the scary guy. Okay, I'll put him away, just this time. No, Mr. Underblade! The sound effects aren't working! Now I have to say it out loud. Okay, wait, let me find it. Now I have to say it. Alright, ready? Have you ever had a dream that you had your you could, you'll do, you want, you could, so you do, you'll do, you could, you want them to do you so much you could do anything? Thank you for your channel points. Happy birthday! I have been cheesed. Sometimes, side effects, logging number to console when it changes. Okay, so we can do this. So, watch. We can watch. And say... We're watching... Cutie Pies. The new Cutie Pie will be... Oh, this will be the new next Cutie Pies. So we want to get... I guess we'll have the current length. Current length is Cutie Pies. The next next Cutie Pies will be where we'll start, or this one will be where we'll start, and we'll look for... Actually, we don't need this. We just would say... New Cutie Pie is... Next Cutie Pies... From... the point that it was. Actually... I mean, this will always update after 1, but it's fine. So we'll say... Well, I don't need to rename this anymore. Newest Cutie Pie Index. These are ugly names. Don't worry about it. I don't need to do any of this. I can just say... to get the newest one... Can I do this actually? Can I do that? No. Wait. Can I? Oh, no, I can't. Why is this goofy music? I thought I should be able to do this. But you cannot. So I want to do... I guess I'll just keep it simple. Newest cutie pie is the index. Next cutie pie is linked -1. I suppose. And then I'll just get that by its index. And I'll say, if that doesn't exist, just return. Otherwise, does the alert thing still work? I don't know. Do laundry? Okay. Kitty 3.14. Oh! Wait, I have to move the chat to be able to read it. Puropu eru. Puropu eru? Iru? Puropu iru? Kimi nangurai no... I don't know what it says. Kona o something. Shimashita. Good night, Grace. Yes, and make sure you chillax before bed. We are almost out of time anyway. I just wanted to try to do this. Alert was a new cutie has cutie pie get. There we go. We'll do newest cutie pie name. There we go. Beautiful. It's gonna be so ugly. Alright, so now when we join the cuties, cutie pie Grace get! Can you see it? Yeah, you can. Cutie pie? Oh, it's the wrong one. Wait, why? Oh, oops. Wait, no. There's cutie pie. Next bus. Next cutie pies. Why didn't that work? New count. Fetching new data. This is so tropical. Writing the word chromosome in cursive is euphoric. Wow. How can I make it cursive? It would just have to be a function. Chromosome. Wow. Why does this not work? No, it's cutie pie. That's strange. Watch can directly watch a ref. Oh, is it because it's not a ref, it's a reactive? I don't know. It should have said the most recent one though. Hi, Wolfie! A new cutie has touched the beacon. Shimashita is the only part I can read myself. I know it's like the first or second day. What kinds of something? I think. Highland Brute! You guys. I'm so sorry. It is about that time that I will need to wrap up for the day. Let's find somebody to raid. And just say thank you again for all the donations for the Gamers Outreach. We had, again, today, last Friday, we had Angelus Cross and Angelus Cross donate $100 while we weren't live. I know, I'm so sorry. And then Night Cortex donated $100 to stream too. And Manny donated $50 and Jake donated $14 and Better Valentine donated $15. You guys are amazing. And I always appreciate being able to make any kind of a difference in the world, though, you know, for the people that need it. Let me see who is on right now. Oh, we got... we can go Red Teaspoon. Let's go Red Teaspoon. Red. They gave us the raid that one time. When we were doing our karaoke. So let's pay it forward. They're very cute. Hopefully they're not ending soon. Yeah. Love you guys. Thanks for coming. We'll probably get back to a silly game. Or maybe I'll look into the Ren Pie stuff. I don't know yet. Yeah. Thank you guys again. I'm glad I could see you this week. Just like a cloud in the wind, Q will be gone at any moment. And with that, wow. That wasn't as dramatic as I wanted it to be.